I love it. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Today, guys, I want to make you a nice, lovely pan fry garlic lamb. You guys gonna love this one. All right, easy recipe, nice and lovely and unique, full of flavor and taste. It is a garlic recipe, and you can do this at home. Enjoy the recipe. Subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Follow me on Facebook and also Twitter and Instagram. Nice and lovely. So basically I have some lamb right here. You know what I mean? This is some lamb steak and the lamb chops bit right here. Wash them off into some lemon juice. We're going to do a pan fry lamb. Alright. So first thing you're gonna need to do is to get a lot of garlic. Because garlic is a key for the lamb. So basically this is all of the garlic which I have right here. And look at this lamb. Look at this garlic. Oh, it's flowing out like a river. You need to have one of these, guys. It's very good. Go on my website, order it, and I will send it to you. chefricardo.co.uk. I'm using a few, rough about 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. Nice and lovely. Yeah. Once you do that, first thing you have to do, massage the lamb with the garlic. You need to do this, it's a must before you put on any more season. Because the lamb, it loves the garlic. So now that's bringing a marvelous flavor to the lamb. Nice. I'm gonna put some rice on here. It's gonna be fantastic. Put on some mixed herb. It's for color. Garlic powder. And some lamb season, teaspoon. Just a little bit of paprika for color and flavor, not too much. Teaspoon of blending natural season. What you need to do, massage the lamb. Look at that. See? Honestly, a lot of flavor in this. Cut one medium-sized tomato into half. Right? Pepper. Just a pinch of salt. And you're ready to pan fry. Yeah, you can leave this for about an hour to 2 hours for it to get soaked. And we're just gonna pan fry them straight away. Nice and lovely. Nice and lovely. Very old pan. Look at it. All rusty and nice. Not really rusty. I love it. This is the beauty about it. I have new one can use. A little bit of oil instead of a pan. This is the beauty with this pan. And that's why I keep using it. I always chuck it in the bin and I say no. This is the best ever. Alright. This is what happens with lamb when you're making pan fried lamb. Alright. Just check it. Not ready yet. Lamb is not something where you season up. It's what you Jamaican season. I mean, that's twisting up, you know. This is something. Alright. I'm gonna put in the lamb like this. Beautiful. Nice. Lamb look nice. Nice and lovely. So let's check on the lamb now and the other side. See exactly where I want. Simple.